Is this 2-in-1 convertible sofa bed worth it? That's what we're going to be talking about in today's video. I think I just answered the question. This is way easier to even adjust than the other 2, 3, or 4-in-1 convertible sofa beds. This is my primary reason why this is worth it. Incredibly easy to set up, turn into like a lounger or an actual bed. I mean, you can see I'm 5'10". If I'm sitting in the lounger part, I still have plenty of space down there to sleep. So I could move all the way down, sleep, use this as a pillow, or put a pillow in here. And this is a legit mattress. Very high quality, high density foam. So it's very supportive. You by no means feel, even at this flattest setting, feel like you're laying on the floor. You feel like you're laying on a cloud. So I love the ease of the way that sets up. But before I even get into the rest of the features, is this worth it? The number one reason why people are finding that it's worth it is because of social proof. Whenever you're shopping on Amazon, it's very important to only purchase products that other people are buying and they're happy with. This is a major hack when you're doing online shopping. Instead of running the risk of like having to like unbox this, because this is vacuum sealed, right? So it comes in a little box. Instead of having to worry about, is this going to be what you're looking for? Just do all that searching ahead of time. You landed on a product that's currently selling over 450 units per month. In the furniture category, that's an incredible amount of sales velocity. Also, it has over 100 4.6 average star reviews at this point. That means people are buying it and then so happy with it, they're going and reviewing it positively. And this is a relatively new product, already has well over 100 reviews. That's what my brother and I call it. Now, we purchase and review products on Amazon every week, multiple products per week. We've spent thousands and thousands and thousands and thousands and thousands of dollars buying and reviewing products. The reason we bought this one is because everyone else is buying it and they're all very happy with it. So this is a home run product just from that aspect alone. But let's get into the features. So you already saw my favorite feature. This sets into a lounger so easily. But now let's set it back. And it's that easy to set back into a chair. Now, so let me think about what my favorite things about this are. And the reason is because we've already purchased and reviewed 15 to 20 at least. It could be even more. It's at least 15 to 20 of these like convertible sofa beds because they're hot right now. People are buying these like crazy. Part of the reason is because they're easy. There's no wood. There's nothing to put together. You just unbox it and it comes to life over the course of about 24 to 48 hours. It just fluffs up. So I love the material with this. This wide wale corduroy, it's very soft. And you're actually just going to enjoy sitting on it. So that's one of the reasons I think I like it a lot. Now, the number one feature of this that is unique and different from every other convertible sofa bed is the support system here. This thing actually works without needing to be against the wall. This is the first convertible sofa bed we've got with legitimate back support. So what they've done is they've made it super soft, but it also feels like it's supportive. So you're not like falling back or caving backwards, but it also has like that support to it. So it's soft and it wraps around you like a cloud, but it also has that support. It's kind of hard to describe, but I really love it. And most of the convertible sofa beds you do really to get back support, you have to set it up against a wall. As you can see, I'm not against a wall. And this is about how I like to sit in these chairs. I sort of don't like sitting like straight up. I like sort of leaning back. This allows me to do that and even kind of bring my arms around it, which that's my favorite way to sit in a chair. So this works really well for me. So material, really nice and soft. I love the back support. The fact that you could use it as a pillow or you could still lay on it and still have plenty of room to lay down with your feet not falling off the front of it is really nice as well. I actually really like the height. The height is perfect. It's going to be perfect for everybody. Just very accessible. When you look at the number on the product page, you can't believe that you're getting a chair that's supportive in the back, but also way softer than chairs that honestly cost 4 to 8 times this amount. That's just true. You get a lot of these really expensive chairs from furniture stores. You know, obviously there's wood, there's different components to it. It can be kind of annoying if things break or having to put together, they can scratch the floor or whatever it is. This thing is The number I can't say the number on the product page, but the number on the product page and the fact that you're getting a legitimate, like relaxed, like living room chair with legitimate back support that can turn into a bed just like that makes the number on the product page seem like a joke. This could easily be 3x this amount, and you would think, holy crap, this is an incredible value, because it still would be an incredible value. So the fact that you're getting it for the number you're getting it, the incredible material, the softness to it, the support, the fact that it can turn into a bed or be a chair. It's especially great. I would say, who is this great for? Well, the perfect people that are made for this are like dorm room people, people on a budget, like college kids, people on a budget, which is, let's be honest, is pretty much everybody at this point. I mean, everyone's on a budget. And we all know part of the reason these things are coming out is because, the world's not going too good right now. So why waste money on expensive furniture when you can spend way less and get something that's honestly even going to be way more comfortable? Not only that, but if you think about, if you've ever noticed when you find, like, I'm one of these people, if I find a good deal on something and first of all, I love it and I got a good deal, there is so much value and so much, like, it's almost like, is it dopamine? I get a good feeling that lasts longer from getting a good deal on something that I feel like is worth way more than that to me. That's what you're going to feel with this. You're going to be like, I can't believe we spent that amount and we actually like this chair. You're probably going to get it, and then you're going to end up getting like 2 or 3 more. Super comfy, a lot of different color options. I love the material, very easy and versatile, easy to use. It's got a nice handle here if you need to pull it to set it up. This thing's amazing. Is it worth it? I think it's worth it. What do you think?